Let's get your Reloop Keypad Pro set up with Ableton Live 12. Here's how to install the control surface script in just a few simple steps. Click the link below to download the script or visit reloop.com/reloopkeypadpro. Once the download is complete, locate the zip file on your computer, unzip it and copy the entire folder into Ableton's MIDI Remote Scripts directory. Depending on your system, the location is different. On Windows, go to ProgramData, Ableton, Live 12, Resources and MIDI Remote Scripts. To access this folder on macOS, right-click the Ableton Live app and select Show Package Contents. Then go to Contents, App Resources and MIDI Remote Scripts. Once you've pasted the script into the correct folder, restart Ableton Live. Then open the Settings and navigate to the Link, Tempo and MIDI tab. Under Control Surface, select CSS Keypad Pro script. After that, set both Input and Output to Keypad Pro. In the MIDI port section below, make sure the track and remote switches are enabled for both input and output. That's it. The script is now active. You can now use your Reloop Keypad Pro extensively with Ableton Live 12 and explore all map functions and performance features, including performance mode for creative sound design, clip launch mode for your live sets, and the transport section to stay in control at all times.